just on a long mud here. Well, what's left of it. But I'll give you a wee view from where I am now. How do you sound? The river's running down the road now. It's not rain anyway. Lovely river from across. Lovely. Putting on these to expect me to fall in here. Another one done. Just having a wee look around here. I didn't say earlier on there, we're out today for a different type of camp. It's going to be a group camp. So remember David Doyle. He's a friend of ours and done what we done. So this is just a wee night for him. Give us a wee look around here and I think we'll just see. I just not take the views. Usually I don't get views, but today I'm getting. A bit of the sun. Right, talk to you a bit. This camp here, it's just some of David Doyle's friends and people like myself who have been in the mountains and wild camping and stuff like that there. So we just a wee chance for us all to get together. I'm sure we'll have a few stories about them. But I'll give you a wee view again. That's me all fed and watered and all set up now. You can see there the tent behind that. Tell you what, it wouldn't take you to be on something. So that's my back in the tent again here, just for a minute or two. We're doing a wee drone shot here. over the top of everybody here. You can hear everybody in their tents shouting and roaring here and laughing and carrying on. But we're having a good time. Yes, there's well worth coming. Yeah, we've had plenty of chats and plenty of talking and about David and stuff as well. So yeah, it's been a good night. I've really enjoyed it. Talk to you soon.
Leave on. Only got one wet foot.
Well, that's my back down to the EQR here. It was a good night, but it wasn't great walking down in that there. It's brutal. Yeah, soaked to the skin, but sure. But a good night anyway, and I enjoyed it, and it was good company. Yeah, I had a bit of crack. But that's me. The next time anyway. Sure. Thanks for watching anyway. Bye.